So you want out? Closing your Questrade account explained. Ever felt that itch? You know, the one that whispers, maybe it's time for a change. Well, if you're a Questrade user and that itch is directed at your online brokerage account, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of closing your Questrade account. Context. Let's face it, online brokerages are like gym memberships. You sign up with all the best intentions, but life throws curveballs. Maybe you found a new platform with features that better suit your trading style. Perhaps you're taking a break from the market altogether. Whatever the reason, closing your account shouldn't feel like an uphill battle. Addressing concerns. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's address some common concerns. First, can you close your account online? Unfortunately, Questrade doesn't offer that option at this time. But fear not, canceling your account isn't a trek through the Amazon rainforest. Second, are there any fees involved? Generally, there are no account closure fees. However, any outstanding fees or unsettled trades will need to be resolved before your account is officially closed. The process. Alright, with those concerns out of the way, here's what you need to do. Grab your phone and dial Questrade's customer service line. While you wait on hold, and yes, there will likely be a wait, gather your account information. This includes your account number and social insurance number, SIN, for verification purposes. Once you connect with a representative, politely inform them of your intention to close your account. They'll walk you through the steps, which may involve confirming your identity and the reason for closing. This is also the time to inquire about any outstanding fees or unsettled trades. Remember, a smooth closure hinges on resolving these beforehand. Important considerations. Here are a few crucial things to keep in mind. First, if you have any open positions, you'll need to decide what to do with them. You can either sell them before proceeding or transfer them to another brokerage, provided the new platform accepts transfers. Second, if you have a TFSA or RRSP account, there might be tax implications to consider. It's always wise to consult a financial advisor before closing any registered accounts. Finally, once everything is settled and verified, the representative will initiate the closure process. The time frame for this can vary, but you should receive confirmation within a few business days. So, there you have it. Closing your Questrade account is a straightforward process, albeit one that requires a phone call. Remember, knowledge is power, so before you make that call, be sure to address any outstanding fees or unsettled trades, and consider any tax implications for registered accounts. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.